An employee of the House of Representatives who tested positive for COVID-19 has passed away. It was confirmed by Secretary General Atty. Jose Luis Montales in a private message to members and personnel of the House. The employee died 2 days after being tested positive for COVID-19. He had no history of travel to any country with confirmed COVID-19 case and has no known history of exposure to the virus. Montales said all personnel of the printing service are required to undergo self-quarantine in compliance with protocols. Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano has announced a month-long suspension of work. The House premises has also been undergoing thorough cleaning and disinfection.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.